Welcome back everyone, I'm Cosmo and you're watching the Kosmoto channel. As you saw in the time lapse before, my friend Patrick and I took apart the DT100 and we had some trouble removing the swing arms, so today we're going to try and burn it out. There are some rubber bushings there that are giving us a hard time. I've got some torches, I've got some masks now so we can actually breathe, or at least not breathe in the fumes. And yeah, we'll either try doing it out here, and if it's too windy we'll just do it inside with the garage door open. So without further ado, let's finish taking this thing apart. Here she is, bare as almost she can be. There are two rubber bushings on this side and on the other end, and I think that's what's giving us trouble, so we're going to burn them out right now. Perfect. Very nice. I think it's too windy, dude. I think we got to do this inside. Monkey business, number 2. Got a mask?
Yeah. Should just stick it somewhere. Like the camera.
Stick you somewhere. Like the gulags. Safety first. Nice. Nice.
Yes. That's what you want.
There's a fire extinguisher inside. Shit.
You're good. Just smells like that.
Woo! We got a fire, boys. Jesus. Try to make sure I don't start a fire first.
You started a fire. That's for sure.
Yeah, I'll be fine.
You're fine with it? You all the way through?
Yeah.
Three weeks later.
Oh, nice. Woo! Hell yeah, buddy. I need to get ear protection.
Yeah.
12 seconds later. One eternity later.
It could be like somewhat dislodging, but it's definitely not doing much. I think someone mentioned it took him an hour, but I'm not willing to go for that long.
Ah, boy, here we go.
Well, it's going through, it's just taking a while. And I'm not a righty, so there's that.
Oh, you're left-handed?
Yeah.
Oh.
So like zero coordination right now.
Let's switch up. I just want to watch you suffer a little bit longer.
Straight up, not having a good time. At least everything below it is getting nice and soaked in BB blaster. It's getting nice and clean.
Oh.
Damn, son, you're causing a fire. Damn. Probably more than halfway through.
Really?
Dude, you're killing it. Woo, my bitch wrists. Watch out for the swing arm too.
What? Oh. Jeez. They didn't make this easy.
Nope, they did not. We're almost through, right? Yeah, holy shit, we are. Honestly, man, at this point, I don't care how it comes off. Because this is horse shit.
This wedding is horse shit.
This wedding is horseshit.
How thick is this thing?
Oh. A tool steel or something crazy. Mike, drop.
Oh, wow, it came out.
Oh. Okay. So.
Woo! Well, no, sorry, I guess.
Yeah.
You're
What did
okay.
the Swingarm ever do to you?
Yeah, Swingarm never did anything to me. Oh, thanks a lot for your help, dude.
Anytime.
Here, let's see how much we f***ed this up. Yeah, we f***ed it up alright. Shit. That was a terrible experience. I never want to do that again, and I know I will.
As you guys saw, that was one heck of a job. I had all my friends helping me. This video was made across several days. We tried everything. We tried heat, we tried a big hammer, we tried penetrating oil, we tried air hammer, and we just ended up cutting it. And I think at the end of the day, it's not that big of a deal because the swinger bolt was actually quite deformed in one spot. I'd show you, but it's really grimy. So I'm just happy that it's out. The only thing that I'm not too happy about, and it's not a huge deal, it's just something that I want to fix, it's that we nicked the frame a little bit when we were cutting it with a hacksaw. It's actually good as is. I would just prefer to get it fixed up, and my buddy offered to bring his TIG over and help me weld it up, or rather, he will weld it up, and then we'll grind it flat, and it'll be good again. So, pretty stoked for that. This frame is ready to be cleaned up. It's ready to go off to powder coating really soon. I'm really excited for that. That'll all be in the next video. I'll include all of that in one video, so that hopefully next video is the color reveal of the frame, which will be pretty exciting. Especially for me, because I'm tired of looking at this dirty thing. Hey everyone, it's me from the future. I'm editing this video and I wanted to slip this part in because there's been a bit of a development, not necessarily a good one. I inspected the frame a little further and I found a lot more damage than I had initially anticipated. Not by my fault or anybody else's fault. The bike's just been used and abused, and as a result, the swing arm axle tube inside the frame is completely deformed. Even if I put a new swing arm bolt in there, even if I replace the bushings in the swing arm, it will still be loose. So the only solution is to cut that tube out and replace it with a new one. Luckily, I have friends who have been generous enough to offer to help me with this. One who is really good at welding, another who can help me machine this axle, or rather axle tube. So we're gonna get it done. I'm really happy that we're not giving up on this frame. I'm really excited to do it right and fix it and give it another life, because it would really suck to have to throw it away. So with that said, hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was definitely quite an ordeal. I hope you see now what it takes to, or at least partially what it takes to rebuild some of these old bikes. The swing arms are always a problem. If it's not a problem, then you must have a horseshoe up your rear row. Because I have yet to come across a swing arm that's not seized up. It's even worse when it's going through your engine case, because then you risk cracking your engine case with all the banging and all of that. So that's not the case here. Hopefully I didn't bend anything. Hopefully I didn't crack anything. We'll find out soon enough. I'm going to clean it up. I'll inspect it, because if it does need to be welded up, then I should probably do that before it goes off to powder coating. Anyway, I'll stop rambling. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As you can see, there are all these methods that you can try to get your swing arm out. Whichever one works best for you. Try them all like I did. I don't know. Cut the thing like I did. Who cares? Just do it, because you can always get a new one. Maybe. I don't know. Whatever. Bye.